Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection is reliable. Make sure your Android TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. This allows discovery and casting. Sign into Apple ID where Apple Music is active. Without a subscription, you can't stream. Update the Apple Music app on your phone and check that Android TV system apps are current. Once done, open Apple Music on your phone and keep the Android TV home screen visible to accept any cast or pairing prompts. Next, you connect using casting if available, because it's the simplest path. Open Apple Music on your phone, tap the cast icon and choose your Android TV from the device list. The audio will stream while phone controls playback. If the cast icon isn't present, sideload the Apple Music APK onto Android TV via ADB or a trusted downloader app. This gives you the app interface on TV. After installation, grant required permissions and sign into your Apple ID. This lets the TV app access your library and playlists. To finish, verify playback and controls. Select your favorite song and adjust TV volume and audio output so sound comes through the right speaker. If streaming fails, reboot the Android TV and your router, then reopen Apple Music. Make sure you're still signed into the correct Apple ID. Reinstall the app or retry casting as needed. If region or compatibility blocks occur, consider AirPlay workarounds with a compatible dongle or using Bluetooth from phone to TV. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.